Hello guys, today I have the CMF Buds 1 by Nothing, and I'm going to show you how to fix that your earbuds automatically starts playing or pausing your music. The cause may be your earbuds actually touch sensor. So the first thing, try to turn off all the controls that you have in this application, which is called Nothing X. If you want to know how to do it, check our channel. This should fix your issue. If it isn't it, you need to contact the device support because your device may be broken. Apart from that, you need to try to restart your device, your phone, try to factory reset your earbuds, and detect any problem with the player. With the application you're playing the music. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.